Honor. So, it's already covered by the TRO.
Your bank president already admitted that that account exists under oath. Now, all we're asking is, if that is a faithful reproduction of what you have in the bank, to find out, binigyan ba kami ng peke ng prosecution, niloloko ba kami ng mga ito, o ito ba ay dahil sa isang leak? Nais din namin protektahan yung bangko ninyo.
Yes,
Dahil kung peke yan, edi ibig sabihin, walang paglabag sa 1405, and the prosecution would be made to account for it. Pero kung faithful reproduction yan, still, there would be some liabilities attaching to whomsoever may have been part of that leak. That's all that we're trying to drive at here. Again, she does not have to bring the document. All she has to do is say under oath, ito po ay hindi katulad nung nasa amin. Ganun lamang po kadali yun. Kung hindi, edi peke yun. Tapos ang usapan. Thank you, Mr. President. That will be all for the witness. Thank you, ma'am. Good evening.
Gentleman from Pampanga.
Yes, just very quickly, Mr. President, thank you to the witness. Is it my understanding that while the bank account is domiciled in one branch, which is in this case your branch, the peso accounts, can the bank records be accessed by other branches?
No, Your Honor.
Can it be accessed by the main office?
It's kept under very safe...
Yes, but can it be accessed by the main office?
I wouldn't know, sir. Probably.
You wouldn't know. Probably.
No,
So-
only the President will be able to answer that question. That's why the Chair wants the President to be back.
Because it's already
Yeah.
because of the lateness of the
Yeah.
hour. Yes. So we will pursue it with perhaps with the President, maybe tomorrow, Mr. President.
Yes.
The other point is, you mentioned there was an audit by the BSP in 2010, and you mentioned AMLA
There was an audit of the bank, sir.
in 2010. You said 2010.
Yes, sir.
When in 2010?
Around November.
November 2010. And then you also mentioned AMLA. AMLA made an audit, or
I think it's required by the MORB that the BSP can
do a special
is
audit.
allowed to go to any bank and do a special
So is it the
audit or an
BSP?
annual
Is it the
audit.
BSP or the AMLA?
I will confirm, sir.
Can you please double check, no? November 2010.
Sir, we will just check.
Yes,
first.
double check the information, the facts. November 2010, BSP AMLA. Special audit or regular, what do you call it? Regular audit? Whichever, no?
I don't know.
And just to be able to, and your point being that they were able to access these bank records. Okay. So we would like to get the facts at perhaps it is the next setting, Mr. President. Thank you.
Mr. President, Senator Osmeña wishes to have the floor. And then Senator Gaetano, the minority leader.
The gentleman from Cebu.
Thank you, Mr. President. Ms. Johnson, sabihin mo lang sa court kung etong 5 account na ito, ending, I'll just give you the 4 numbers, alam mo naman natin. 7358, 9539, 0122, 1681, 1957. The 5 peso time deposits. Are they still open up to this day? Do they still exist?
May I refer to the previous documents that were submitted in the
ahead.
previous...
Go ahead.
Sir, Your Honor. Yung naka-mark na lang.
I cannot read this.
For Your Honor, may I answer for some of the accounts? For 089-121-011957, it was closed sometime 2008. I do not have the exact date, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
For 1681, for account number 089-121-021681, it was still open as of 2010, Your Honor, but as if it is closed as of now, I do not have the record, Your Honor.
Would you please find out and let us know at the next hearing? Yes, I mean,
It will be subpoenaed naman, sir. So we can have a basis also.
No, we don't
Sorry.
want to issue any more subpoenas and bother the
Okay.
court. Has to do anyway with the account which has been identified, and we'd like to know if it is still existing today.
Is that a peso account or
It's a peso account, Mr.
All right.
President.
under the under 1405? The impeachment court has the power to require the
All right.
production.
Okay, Your Honor.
I have the same question for the account ending 0122.
For 0122, 2008. It's closed. Based on the record, sir, I think it's closed already because it's zero here.
It's 0.
I will confirm tomorrow, sir.
All right. And as far as account 9593,
For 9593, as of 2010, ending December 31, it's still open, but as of today, I will confirm
thank you. And as
tomorrow,
of
sir.
account number 7358,
For 7358, I will just confirm, sir, tomorrow because
Very good.
it's zero here.
now will you also bring information as to the tenor of the time deposit? Because you had an opening deposit of 8.5 million. It is registered as a peso time deposit per your testimony earlier. We'd like to know how long the time deposit was supposed to run. All right?
All right.
Okay. Ngayon po, are you aware of any other accounts that the respondent would have with your bank, including investment management funds, investment trust funds, unit investment trust? I'm not referring to any foreign currency deposit, just peso-denominated deposits. Mutual funds. Wala naman mutual fund, Mr. Garcia said earlier. So, are there any other accounts existing?
Sir, I only have information on the subpoenaed documents.
No, you do
record.
not have only information to subpoena documents. You have information also of other accounts that exist in the bank.
I could not say right now, sir.
Okay, so will you bring that information tomorrow and give us a categorical answer if there are any other existing accounts? Because earlier, the court approved the subpoena of all other related accounts, sister accounts, and we expect that to be handed to the court tomorrow. So we'd like you to give us more complete information on those accounts.
It will be covered by a subpoena, sir.
It is covered by subpoena, yes. Now,